Hello and welcome to my page. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your face during a video call using any image in real time. This means you can appear as a completely different person, character, or even a custom image while you're on a live call. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, including how to set everything up.
Open your browser and search for JhrokeCamera. Once the results appear, click on the official website and open it. From there, you will be able to access the tool and start setting it up. This is the interface of the software. Take some time to explore the different features available and check out the pricing plans to understand what each option offers. You can test VideoLab and AudioLab for free to see how the tool works and try out some of its basic capabilities. However, if you want to use the video call feature, you will need to upgrade to one of the available plans. After purchasing a plan, you will receive an activation code. Enter that code and activate your plan so you can unlock the video call feature and start using it right away. Next, select the image you want to use to change your face. Make sure the image is clean, clear and high quality so the software can detect the face properly and apply it smoothly during the video call. Now, select whether you want to use your webcam or a pre-recorded video that you already have. The video you choose here represents your original face, and the software will apply the selected image to it. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using a pre-recorded video that I prepared earlier. However, it doesn't really matter which option you choose. Whether it's a live webcam or a recorded video, the software will change the face in real time and apply the selected image automatically. Now, everything is set. Click on the Start button to begin the process. The software will take about 10 to 20 seconds to set everything up and prepare the face transformation. During this time, it will load the image and configure the system so it can apply the face change properly. Once the setup is complete, the software will start working automatically and you can continue using it without any interruptions. The selected image will remain active until you decide to change it to a new one. Everything is now set up. Click on this button to activate the portrait monitor. The portrait monitor allows you to view the processed output in real time, so you can see exactly how the face transformation appears. Make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer. Once it's installed, open the application and follow these steps to set up the OBS Studio Virtual Camera. In the Sources section, click on the plus button. From the list of options, select Window Capture. When the window appears, choose Create New, give it a unique name and then click OK. Next, another window will open. Under the Window drop-down menu, select JhrokeCamera Portrait Monitor and then click OK to confirm. This will allow OBS Studio to capture the portrait monitor from the software so it can be used with the OBS Virtual Camera during your video calls. To achieve a portrait-style video, you first need to adjust your OBS settings, especially if your current setup is in landscape. Click on Settings, then go to the Video section. Under General, change both the base canvas resolution and the output scaled resolution to 1080 by 1920. Once you've made these changes, click OK to apply them. Now that everything is configured, click on Start Virtual Camera. Your OBS is now set to output a portrait-style video, ready to be used in any video call with the face transformation applied. Now I'm going to make a video call on my Instagram account. Here's exactly what I did. First, I selected Use Camera and Microphone. Then, from the drop-down menu, I chose my microphone to ensure the audio works properly. Next, for the camera option, I selected OBS Virtual Camera, which is now streaming the transformed face from the software. Finally, I clicked Continue to start the call. It's that simple. With this setup, your live video call will show the face transformation in real time, making it look professional and seamless. And that's it. We're now done with the tutorial. If you enjoyed this guide and want to start changing your face in real time on video calls, make sure to check out JhrokeCamera. It's a web-based software, so you don't need to install heavy programs. Just open your browser and you're ready to go. JhrokeCamera makes it easy, fun and professional to use face transformations for video calls, recordings or just to get creative. If you want to support me and access this amazing tool, consider trying it out today. The more people use it, the better I can bring updates, features and tutorials like this for you. So go ahead, visit JhrokeCamera, set up your first transformation, and start impressing everyone on your calls.